Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning is a non-profit registered society working now for more than 4 decades in the areas of Indian heritage awareness.
Om Arunagirishwaraya, Om Arunalingeshwaraya, Om Arunachalaramanaya Namaha. The law of causation, as we talk about, it is universal, as they say. It is the cause following the effect and the effect following the cause. One cannot be without the other. As long as there is a cause, there is an effect. There is a causeless cause, which we call as the presence. He, even in the bodily frame, he defied causation. Was he born to work out his karma? No, he was born out of total compassion for us to help us to work out our karma. So, the presence transcends the present, where all the three, time, space and causation, are the components. For when the ego is dissolved in the presence, the perceiver actually is dissolved. The present can be felt only as long as the perceiver is there. The perceiver, through his thoughts, through his mind, through his body, through his senses, perceives this world. So the present is present as long as the perceiver is present. When the perceiver's ego is dissolved in the present gets dissolved in the presence, and the presence alone remains. We all sleep. Where does the world go when we are in deep sleep? The Nama, Rupa, Prapancham, as we call it, disappears when we sleep. So, while we sleep, we also dream. We have a dream experience. When we have the dream experience, it is painful as well as pleasurable also. Now, these dreams, fortunately for us, are short. But while we are in the dream state, we feel as though they are long. But when we wake up only, we know they have been short dreams. Bhagavan used to call this as Kshanigam. That is the terminology he used. Kshanigam. And he used to call this life, where we talk about the present, the past and the future, as Dirgham, as a Swapnam. This is also Snapnam, some kind of a dream, but this seems to be long enough. And when the ego gets dissolved, the soul wakes up as though it is waking up from a dream state. Oh, was I dreaming all the while? How come? I went through a process of creation, and then I was born, I died, and then I am in this place, I am not in this place, and I went through so many births, deaths, etc., etc. All this looks like a dream. When the ego dissolves, like we get up from our dream, understand that it was only a dream, like that, the soul also, when the ego dissolves, wakes up as it were from a dream. In this, I would love to quote a story of Janaka. Once he went through a dream. In the dream, actually a king who is inimical to him, Janaka also, may have had enemies. Somebody attacks him with his army, captures his country and drives him out of his state. Janaka runs from place to place. Over a week he has been running. He has not had any food. And then one day he approaches a small chaul tree. There, the manager is standing there. He goes to him and then begs for food. That manager of chaul tree says, all the food is just finished. Janaka argues with him, please give me at least a morsel of food. Something must be left over somewhere, find out. The manager goes inside, searches all over, there is no food. He comes back with one small pot or something where there are a few morsels of food. He pours some water into it and then tries to kalakify it and then pour in the hands of Janaka Maharaja, who is there dreaming as though he is a beggar. And what happens precisely at the time when he is going to pour the contents of the pot onto the hands of Janaka, a crow comes there, dashes, pecks at that pot, and then the pot breaks into pieces, and then no morsel of food is got in the hands of Janaka. Janaka cries because he is feeling very hungry. He wakes up at that time. And from that time onwards, he behaves like a madman because the experience was so stunning. He says, which is true, this or this? This or this? Am I a king who dreamt as though I was a beggar? Or am I really a beggar who is dreaming as though I am a king? Which is true, this or this? This or this? This is the way he behaves all the time. All the ministers come, all the Vaidyas come, and they all attend to him. Nothing basically wrong with him, but the behavior continues to be the same. What is this true or is that true? Is this true or is that true? At that time, Ashtavakra, his guru, comes there and then he clarifies. Both are not true. They are only your imagination. It is you who is true. It is you who got those two experiences. Both the two experiences are not true. You are the only truth. This is what he says. So, why I am saying this, bringing this world of Nama, Rupa, Prapancham is a perception, is a thought perception. In deep sleep, this is not true. When we are awake, this world seems to be true. So one is Kshanigam, that is, the dream is Kshanigam, whereas the waking state seems to be Dirgam, or the long one, except that there is no difference. Both are dreams only. So when the ego gets dissolved, the present, whether it is the dream state, the present, whether it is the waking state, that is going to get dissolved in the long, eternal presence called Ramana Bhagavan. The ego, we all know it. Ego is the most fundamental principle of creation. Minus the ego, there is no creation at all. Because if there is no perceiver, there is nothing perceived. It is called Drik, Drishya, Vivekam. Drik, somebody who sees. Drishya, something that is seen. Drik, Drishya, Vivekam. Who is the seer? Who is the seen? So, this lokam, as we call it, Nama, Rupa, Prapancham, made of names and forms, people generally categorize it into three worlds. Bhulokam, Bhuvarlokam, Suvarlokam. These are the three worlds, as they call it. Bhulokam, this earth planet where we all live. Bhuvarlokam, astral world. Suvarlokam, the mental world, or Swarga. Now the 3 times I already mentioned is past, which is history, which cannot be rewritten, which is gone, which is dead. That is the past. The present is still unfolding. We are moving from one present to another present, the present and the future. The future becomes the present becomes the past becomes the future. We do not know, because they say it is a very cyclical kind of creation.
Shriramanieshan Tanda Brahmastiram Shriramanieshan Tanda Brahmastiram